Okay, so we're going to work with some rectangles. The area is base times height. We know that is different from the square because all the side lengths are, well, I should say they have different side lengths. I've got three different types of problems here. The first one is just a straight up, what is the area? I know the base, I know the height. So if you were to draw a picture, base is 10, height is 3, area is just base times height. Well, my base is 10, height is 3, means my area is 30. Second one, a little bit tougher. Definitely want to draw a picture because diagonal is not one of the components of the formula. So if I draw my rectangle, the diagonal is 17. I know the side length is 8. Doesn't matter if you make that the base or the height, it's just one of the sides. So now I need to find my base, or I need to find my height, whichever one you have missing, does not matter. Remember, rectangles are always going to be 90 degrees. I have my hypotenuse and I need one of the legs, so the Pythagorean theorem is coming back into play. A squared is whatever x is, b squared is 8 squared, c squared is 17 squared. So then I'm going to solve this. We have x squared plus 64 is equal to 117 squared, or I'm sorry, 17 squared, that would make a difference. 289. Subtract 64 from both sides, just like you would. X squared then is 225, but we want x, not x squared, so we're going to take the square root, and we end up getting x to be 15. Now it is no different than the first problem. I'm just going to plug it into base times height. So area is base, which is 15, times height, which is 8, gives me a total area of 120. So it's not a tough problem, but once again, draw a picture so that you know what you're missing in order to plug it into base times height. Then the last problem just wants a formula for height. All that means is take my area formula. This is a literal equation, and we're going to solve it for height. Well, I have base times height, so to undo multiplication, we're going to divide, and that's just going to leave area divided by base is equal to the height.